So when you first walk in the front door, this is what you see, and we will just start. I'm so excited. First of all, I love the hardwood floors and the super plush carpet. So here is our living room, and I love this big shelf that they left. Super nice. So here is the living room, and then over here is the dining room, and I cannot wait to get a nice big farmhouse table in here. It's gonna be so nice. And then here is the kitchen. Now I thought about painting, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint because I'm actually really loving the colors. I never thought that I'd be like a red and brown person. All my other houses have been really like light and bright and gray, or like some shade of gray. But anyway, here is the kitchen. Nice appliances, tons of cabinet space, a dishwasher. You guys, I am so excited to have a dishwasher. I cannot wait. Nice sink, totally love it. Beautiful microwave and stove, and a pantry. I have waited forever to have a pantry. I've like never had one anywhere that I've lived on my own. So I cannot wait to fill that with goodies. So yeah, there is my gorgeous kitchen. Absolutely love it. I'm just obsessed. Totally love it. Okay, then we have the master bedroom, which these lights are like dimming, so it takes a little bit, but look at this wall. Oh my gosh, I am like obsessed. Absolutely love it. Such nice quality. They did an amazing job. Oh, I just love it. It's like my dream room. And then this is really cool. So I have this huge walk-in closet. Ooh. Nice big walk-in closet, and then a built-in vanity. So I'm gonna paint that, but look at this. This is gonna be so nice for doing my makeup, like filming everything. So nice. So I'll get a nice chair, and this is all built in, super nice. Like I said, I'm gonna like recover this and paint this. But yeah, ton of closet space. Just awesome. I'm super, super excited. And like I said, I love the plush carpet. It's so soft and so new and just exactly what I wanted. Okay. Then right here, I have a closet for like towels and bedding, which is really convenient. And then it's right next to the master bath. Here is the master bath. And they actually had some shelves up here, like wood style, that I'm gonna get because I love the look of that. And then I just have a shower and bath. And I love this, you guys. How beautiful is that? I'm just like so obsessed. I love it. And then this cute detailing right here. It's so pretty. Just obsessed. Okay, so then here we have Presley's room, and how cute is this? I haven't decided if I'm going to wallpaper it, just like floral, like a floral wallpaper, or if I'm gonna leave it, because I kind of had a different idea for her bedroom, but it is really, really nicely done. And as she gets like older, she'd probably really like that. But I'm just thinking if I'm gonna do like a floral wallpaper or if I'm gonna leave it. I'm not sure yet. So anyway, this is Presley's room. Really good size. Totally love it. Closet. I love how they painted this pink. And there is her closet. Really nice size closets. And everything is just so new. I love it. And here is the kids' bathroom. Simple, really nice bathroom. Just a simple, really nice bathroom. I love this towel hanger. I think it's so cool. And then just a simple shower and bath, of course. And this is so random, but all the bathrooms have these little baskets. I just think that's so handy and cute. And I love the floor. None of the floors are like that gross like tile. They're really cool. They're either nice wood or plush carpet. Okay, so here is Mason's bedroom, and he is so excited for the built-in loft bed. This is so cool. Has a ladder, and then it's a twin loft. So how cool is this? This is like what he talked about non-stop. He loves it. He cannot wait. So we're gonna have like a seating area down here and like his globes and all his cool stuff right there. And then his really awesome bunk bed, he calls it. Love it. And I love the paint up here. It looks so cool. And the window hangings are really cool. He's got a nice large closet as well. Super nice. But yeah, this house just feels so homey. I just absolutely love it, you guys. It's perfect for us, and I just love it. Okay, so now we're gonna go downstairs to the finished basement. Super excited about this. This was one of the must-haves for me. I had to have a finished basement. So here is the family room. I'm gonna get a sectional couch here, some kind of like stand and a TV, and then this area will probably be the kids' play area. Down here. Okay, so this room, behind these French doors that are so pretty, is going to be my filming room. I absolutely love it. I'm obviously going to paint it probably like white because this color is like way too dark for filming, but it is great size. Love the doors. And yeah, it's just gonna be perfect for filming my YouTube videos. So stay tuned for that. Super exciting. And then if we go down the hall, first here we have a bathroom. This will be the guest bath. And there is a nice shower, linen closet with a light. Seriously, like how cool. I love it. And beautiful vanity sink. Love the light fixtures. I love all the little details. Like everything is seriously perfect. Exactly what I would have chosen if I built the place myself. In here we just have storage and a workshop, so I'm not gonna go in there. It's not that exciting. Oops. And then here we've got another bedroom. Technically it can't be a bedroom because of the window, but it can be like a guest bedroom or like a workout room. I haven't really decided yet, but I love how they painted it. Love that the plush carpet is all over, and then it has a really nice big closet as well. Super nice. And I love that the closets all have lights. So helpful, and just a detail that was really well thought out. All right. And then we head back upstairs. Okay, so then outside is super cool. So there's a space over here. They had a pool, an above ground pool, but I don't have an above ground pool, so I'll probably put the kids' water slide over there. Then there's a shed and this beautiful privacy fence like backdrop that they basically put up and had decorated. I love that. I love that the whole backyard is fenced, and there's a play set for the kids. Super fun. They're so excited about that. And there's like pea gravel set up already, so it's just perfect and good to go. Got one more thing to show you guys, and that is the laundry and the mudroom. Okay guys, I'm so obsessed. How cool. I have wanted one of these forever. Everyone will have a place to put their coats and their backpacks. It's just perfect. And then of course, laundry will go here. Then I've got a spot to fold clothes. I've got this industrial pipe here to hang clothes. It's just perfect. I love it. Like I said, this house is just made for us. I love it. I'm so excited. So yeah, you guys, that is our new house. I hope you enjoyed this empty house tour. I hope you're just as excited as we are to call it our home and start moving in and just making it our space. There's just so much that I love about this home. I'm just so excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you very, very soon.